Hey guys, Hunter107 here, and today I'm gonna test something that everyone has asked themselves ever in the universe. Everyone has asked themselves this question: does the fridge light stay on even after you close the fridge? Now I'm just gonna test this in my fridge here. This is my fridge here. I'm gonna put this in the fridge and then close the doors to make sure, or just not to make sure anything, but to try to improve or get a result, an answer. So here we go. You are in my fridge. This is my fridge. Okay. Just set that up there. Okay, I don't know what happened, but now this is result 2. You're gonna look directly at the light, and I'm gonna close the fridge door again. I don't know what happened because I didn't see it. I'm gonna watch the tape back and see what happens. Did it turn off? I don't know. I'm gonna look at that before I upload this. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't do anything if you don't want to. Bye.